Hi guys, and welcome to another unboxing. Today I have this for you. This is the Dell Inspiron 137380. It's a 13.3-inch work laptop or a business laptop, productivity laptop. It's not the newest, it's been out since 2018, late 2018, around October. It has slightly outdated specs, but it's still a powerful laptop, alright? So let's get started and unbox this little beauty. Alright, so let's slice this thing open. Let's start at the top. Okay. Now, right off the bat, we have the adapter cable, and we have the charging brick. This is a 45-watt charging brick, pretty small. And the laptop itself. Alright, let's see what else is inside the box first. It's got the manual, as standard manual. Alright. Get rid of this. Alright, there you have it. This is the silver Inspiron 137380. It's 13.3 inches and it's full metal body, the cover, as well as the inside, as well as the palm rest. Everything is metal. Alright, so on the side here we have an SD card slot and a USB slot, a Kensington lock, pretty standard. Now moving on to this side, you've got the power, you've got a USB Type-C, you have HDMI, you have a headphone jack, and one more USB Type-A. So you have two USB Type-A's and one USB Type-C. Unfortunately, there is no Ethernet port, but yeah, it's fine. You're not really gonna need all that many dongles with you're used to with an Ultrabook nowadays. And this is a two-in-one laptop, right? So let's see what else. There are vents at the bottom and vents at the back. But that's pretty much it. That's what you expect of a work laptop. Nothing much, nothing fancy, but feels sturdy, alright? Now what's unique about the 7380 is that the lid can be pushed back 180 degrees. This doesn't come with touchscreen and it doesn't support stylus, so that's a bit unfortunate, but it's still a powerful machine. Now this screen pushes 1080 display at 60 Hz, so it's still not bad. Alright, now this thing comes with a fingerprint sensor on the power button. It's right here. Just place your thumb on it and it works. It comes with a pretty grainy trackpad, which I like, and the keyboard is backlit in white, so that's nice to see. Alright, so now let's talk about the internals. This thing runs on an 8th gen Intel Core i7-8565U. It's not the latest processor because this came out in 2018, but what you're getting is still a quad-core, power-efficient Whiskey Lake processor, alright? So it's still very powerful. And with that comes the Intel UHD Graphics 620. It should run video exporting and minor photo editing well. Anything too heavy, you might not want this, but it should work. We'll test it out and the review will determine whether it works well or not, alright? This thing comes with 16GB of soldered DDR4 RAM as well as 512GB of PCIe and NVMe M.2 SSD. It's an upgrade over the predecessor's SATA drives, which is great. Now you can't upgrade the RAM, so you have to get the one that you want right off the bat because you can't upgrade it. You can upgrade your SSD up to 1TB, which is great. Alright, now this little laptop here comes with a very small 38 watt-hour battery, but at least it comes with a 45 watts charging brick. And at the time of recording, this is priced at 4,399 ringgit. This is the top of the line version. If you want the 8GB plus 256GB model, it will set you back 4,179 ringgit. Now, at the time of recording, a few models have been given discounts. If you want the i5 version, you can get it for below 4,000. So it's actually pretty worth it if you're looking for something that is powerful and is light. Now, if you are a student or you travel a lot, this 13.3-inch laptop will work just great. It's got a powerful processor, and if you want to do light photo editing or video editing, this will work. And it doesn't break the bank considering how powerful this is actually. It's not the latest, but it still works. Now when you purchase the laptop, regardless of which model you go for, you get the Dell Urban Backpack 15, which would fit your laptop just nicely. Alright, that's it from me today. Stay tuned for the review. Now if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you haven't. That's it from me. Goodbye.